Good afternoon. Welcome to the channel. This week, this project is going to be doing the doors and drawers. Let me show you what we have. We have to build some doors up here, 5 doors here out of oak. These 2 up here out of oak. The bottom 2 there out of poplar because they're going to be painted. An oak cap. 2 drawers out of oak. 2 doors out of oak. 1 drawer, 2 drawers. And then we got to have these 3 poplar. So I got a list made already of the parts piece I made. What I did is I went through and counted each door and drawer, and I took a number on those, wrote that number down. So I'll go in the garage now. I'll start cutting these things down on a table saw. Once they're cut down, I will run them through the router, and then see how it goes. Hopefully we get quite a bit done today. So I'll bring it along. I haven't picked up the camera a couple days, but I'll bring it around today and show you how to do these. This is what I got. So here's all the pieces. So each one is a door. This is these are spare pieces, extra pieces, extra pieces. I like to make a few extra pieces in case one breaks or something's wrong with one. I have some replacements and I don't have to set the whole jig back up again. To me, this 3 or 4 pieces of extra that may cost a couple bucks. Hopefully it'll save me a lot of time if I do make a mistake. So that being said, door, all these are doors, and these are door faces. With some poplar and mostly oak. So my next step now is to clean up shop a little bit, or garage. I need to get the router table out, and I need to set the router up, and I got to run these through to make them straight like a joiner almost. Take out some of the grooves on the one side that I cut with my table saw. So once that's done, I'll change the bits out and we'll start running the pieces through for our doors. Okay, I have all these pieces numbered. I have 18 doors. And what I did is I labeled each door individually, every piece. For example, this door number 13, coincidence. 13, 13, 13, and 13. That's door. Then you have 12, 12. I seen 12 somewhere else. There's 12 back here. So every piece is numbered. Every door is numbered. So I'll be able to run through the router table, and then I'll be able to take and not get confused where they're at, because it's confusing a lot of parts. Here's my router table setup. That's the bit I have. It's that bit there. I have that set there. So I run this thing through, and then I'll put you on a tripod, let you watch. There it is. We got them cut. Got them routed. Oh, let's see. All those pieces. Okay, so now we got to switch jigs or switch bits over and do the other sides. Actually, I think what we got to do first is we need to cut lengths. We need to go back and organize these back in doors and get the stiles and the rails separated. So the stiles and rails are tops and sides. So we gotta separate those and find out which ones are sides, which ones are tops. Start cutting these to right lengths.
they'll probably do that next. And then we'll switch bits over and run them through the router on the ends and put them together. Shouldn't take too long. There's that bit. Almost slipped a little bit. Good morning, we're back at it. So last night we left off, we had all these pieces cut on a router. We have cut down sizes. What I'm going to do is do a Craig jig on the inside also. Just so I can get these put together, get them glued and get them screwed. I don't have enough clamps to clamp them all up, set and dry. And that'll make a little stronger too going on the road if the glue does ever break down. Okay, I've been staying for a few hours, got a few doors built. This is what I've done so far. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 doors built. These are doors. So I got 4 more of these doors to build, the oak ones. Then I have what, 2, 4, 5 doors to build on poplar. I gotta build another piece. I gotta make another piece here, the router. Okay, so I'll put you on a tripod. I'll let you watch what I'm doing, show you how I put these things together, and kind of explain it a little bit. Not too terribly hard. What I start usually is I start by sanding these down. See, you got a little bit of spots here, and you clean up a little bit. Nice clean profile. Okay, those two are ready. These two here. So what I gotta do here now, what I do is I come over an inch in and I'll put a Craig jig in there. The reason I'm doing the Craig jig is so that I can glue it and move on to the next door. I don't have enough clamps to let them dry till tomorrow. So I mark 1 inch in, since our rail's 2 inches wide. Oops, like this. Now we do the back side of this. So I make sure I have this facing out. So that was done there. It's done there. This one. Number 12. There's what we have done already. That's what we got left. I have one more piece for one more oak door. And then I got to cut down some regular wood to make the other doors. So I can show you this last couple ones.
We are on our last week of this bus build. Very exciting. I need my sunglasses.
I know, that's why I get mine too. What we do, cut a piece 1/4 inch inside here. That'll be our keep nice square. We glue that down, pinnail that in, and then put our hinges on, our door slides on. And then what happens is there'll be a door face here, so you won't see this. So the door face being screwed to that.